Protein versus moisture. How do you know if your hair requires either of the two? So what protein does is it strengthens your hair and it repairs. Whereas what moisture does is it hydrates your hair and it keeps it soft and elastic. Both of them are equally important when it comes to your curly hair journey. How do you know if you have an excess of protein? When your hair is weighed down, it has breakage or split ends. There are porosity issues, that means your hair is not taking enough water, or there's persistent frizz. When do you know you have a lot of moisture in the hair? Is when your hair is dry, brittle, it's almost like a cloud, like it's too soft to curl. It lacks shine and vibrance, and it lacks bounce and elasticity. These two, they complement each other and they work in the same synergies. If your hair has too much frizz and flyaways, especially in the humidity, it means you could have an overdose of moisture. The best way to get protein in your hair is to use gels and use protein treatments. Apart from that, what you should do is avoid overuse of heat and have balance with the moisture. They both work hand in hand. Definitely do not forget to use gels because they're going to lock all the moisture that you've just given your hair and make sure you hydrate your hair regularly.